Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty as a beginner. First, let's get you comfortable with the basics. You'll use the left stick for movement and the right stick for aiming. Hold the left trigger to aim down sights and press the right trigger to shoot. Remember to press X or square to reload and Y or triangle to swap weapons. Adjusting your sensitivity and customizing your controls are key first steps to finding your perfect setup. Now, let's dive into the diverse game modes Call of Duty offers. Team Deathmatch is a classic, where your team aims for a specific number of eliminations. Domination involves capturing and holding 3 key areas, while Hardpoint focuses on controlling a single, rotating zone. For a high-stakes experience, try Search and Destroy with its no-respawn rounds. And of course, Battle Royale pits you against many other players to be the last one standing. Mastering combat is crucial for success. Always aim for headshots. They deal significantly more damage. Utilize cover effectively, moving strategically between objects to avoid enemy fire. Remember to reload your weapon while aiming down sights, keeping your eyes on the action. Don't be afraid to try different weapons to find your favorites. Employ tactical movement and consider jump shooting or drop shooting around corners to surprise your adversaries. Communication with your team can also give you a significant edge. Finally, consistent practice is key to improving. Start by playing private matches against bots to learn maps and refine your controls without pressure. Focus on completing daily challenges for extra experience points, helping you progress faster. Playing with a team can greatly enhance your coordination and overall success. Don't forget to review your own gameplay. It's a powerful tool for identifying areas to improve. Experiment with different loadouts and level up your weapons to unlock attachments, giving you a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.